Hello YouTubers, thank you for tuning into the Stock Monger. Today we are going to discuss the indice analysis on Bank Nifty and Nifty. Bank Nifty has been troubling a lot and very volatile in the past few days, weeks and months. Today we're going to see about the upcoming week, what are the levels that we can expect, and we're going to analyze it in a weekly, daily and hourly time frame. Please do watch the video till the end to understand how we are going to analyze the trades. And if you're not already registered on the website stockmonger.in, please do log on right now and join the community page where I share all the trades that I take. The last 2 weeks have been very profitable. We've booked over about 600 points nearly. And if you are looking for proof of concept, you can always watch the track record on the website, the link of which is in the description below. So I'll see you tomorrow on the community page. Please do watch the video to the end. Thank you. Just a small recap of what we have seen. I have updated in the community group on my website stockmonger.in. Please do visit the website and do go through the track record. I had given the levels as you see over here, where Bank Nifty first resistance, this was the closing at 33,600, and the first resistance was at 33,770 and the second resistance was 34,010. Now it opened above that, it rejected 34,010, sorry, and it came down, but then it crawled back up and there was another rejection, and this is where I had shorted calls. And as you can see, it gave a very good directional move and the profits were awesome. Now it came below the last support line given at 33,090. So what can we expect in the week ahead? Let's go ahead and see the first weekly analysis. Okay, just zooming out over here. Now this is the 1 week analysis where you see that there is a support drawn over here where this has been tested once and twice. If we draw a trend line from the lower highs over the last few weeks, as you can see, this is also a matter of concern. Now, if we are going by the trend lines, which is like over here, let me just correct this. Okay, if we go with it like this, then it is breaking the last known support when it had visited here at the end of 7th of March. And if this breaks, yes, it is going to touch this trend line, which we can expect a visit of 31,800. That is quite a massive fall from where it is right now. But if it takes support of this support line and it bounces back, we can probably see a move up, but it should rest above this week's opening as a support and then move up from there to meet this trend line, which is 36,500. Now whether it gets rejected from there or it breaks out is what we'll have to observe in the days to come. So this is the weekly analysis. If we can go to the daily analysis right now on Bank Nifty, a little more detailed view of what we can expect over here. Now this is the trend line that is happening since the 5th of April, where there are lower highs and it is just breaking down. If we draw the support line over here at 32,500, now the SGX Nifty and the global Qs as closed on Friday indicate that there is an upside movement, but till where we'll have to wait and watch. So we are going to draw the level of 33,950 over here exactly. That is the daily time frame, and we're going to draw the levels based on this. Now we are quite a distance from the closing, about 800 plus points. So we'll just go into a smaller time frame, that is the 1 hour time frame now, and this is where we will analyze the movement of Bank Nifty for tomorrow. This will play as your first resistance, 33,900. The second resistance will be over here at 34,800. And this is tomorrow's move. The first support is at 32,510. I would take the second support at around 32,100. Yes. So now you'll be thinking, why did I take 34,800? Now this is where it got rejected at the top side, and this is the trend line where it is exactly dissecting. So let's wait and watch if there is an up move on the 17th of May anywhere into this region. Once it enters this region, we can expect a sideways market, and only when it breaks out and takes support of 34,800 is going to indicate an upside, because there has been enough selling. If you go to the futures data, you can see that there is enough selling that has happened. uh, Probably, a sideways market throughout next week, and then a breakout. Let's hope for the best. Coming to Nifty. Now, Nifty has been wavered like, like crazy over here. Let's just remove the drawings that we had done previously, and let's just look at just the 1 hour time frame. I'm not going to do a multiple analysis on this because Nifty is influenced by 4 to 5 sectors, with 3 sectors, that is IT, banking, and auto, which are the heavyweights, and Reliance alone. So let's draw the support of Nifty for the coming week at 15,600. Now, if that breaks, yes, it is going to go down to at least 15,500, but I don't see it going beyond that. This is the support levels, and we are going to have a bullish run if we see it going above 16,000 again, which I find quite clearly happening in the coming 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. Let's hope for that. Now, if it breaks and stays above 16,075 and below 16,388, the coming week, the entire week till expiry, will be within this data. Open interest data, studies, analysis, everything will be updated in the community page of stockmonger.in. Please do watch the community page if you are registered. If you're not, please do log on and register yourselves and follow the community page. You can always watch the track record free of cost, so you don't have to register for that. The track record will be always updated in the links in the description of every video. Please do click on it, and please do get to know how what levels I play at. The timings are also mentioned on most of the trades that I take in futures and options, and the options levels of how to play, what to play, will also be given in the community page. So let's go ahead with next week and hope for a good and better points collection on the options front. I'll see you tomorrow. All the best. Take care. Happy trading.